This is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, open any search engine that you prefer, then input the Fortnite APK query. Amongst the search results you will be provided with, you will need to either go for the Fortnite.com or EpicGames.com webpage. Then once the web page or website will be loaded, you will be asked to confirm the download, so do exactly that. Then once the file gets successfully downloaded, you will need to open it, obviously. Then allow Google Chrome or any other web browser that you've used the install unknown apps, or allow from this source permission. Then confirm the Epic Games Store app installation. Once it is installed, you will need to open it, obviously. From here, open the Fortnite page and tap at the install button over there. And now wait for the game to download. Well, it files, pretty much. As you can see, once the Fortnite game is ready to be installed, we will need to grant the Epic Games Store with the same permission we allowed the Google Chrome to have. So do exactly that, allow the install unknown apps permission, or grant it with the install unknown apps permission, and then confirm the Fortnite installation, which will take significantly less time than the download itself. And then simply launch the game and wait for another, I don't know how much time, I would assume 15, 20, 30 minutes, depending on how fast is your Wi-Fi connection, for the game to download all the remaining updates, resources, and what's not. And after this download will be finished, you will be finally able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.